So our next presenter comes from Russia.
Yes, indeed I do. And it works already. All right.
Fidesys, Ivan Protopop.
Protopopov. Lots of P's, lots of O's.
Thank you, Ivan.
This is how I explain it. So, first of all, thank you all for attending and giving me a chance to speak to you. And I will try to do everyone a favor by keeping it very simple and short. So, we're an engineering software company from Russia. And when you develop any industrial product, from a simple chair to a space shuttle, you have to predict how it's going to interact with the real-life world. And a large part of it is predicting how it's going to react to different kinds of stresses. Basically, whether or not it's going to break if pressure is applied to it in different ways. And the problem is that performing accurate simulation of these stresses on a typical computer takes way more time than you would imagine, even days if it's a complex model like a space shuttle or an aerospace vehicle of any kind. So our value proposition is basically that we deliver the same accuracy of result with dramatically decreased hardware requirements, or we increase accuracy of simulations way more than you would expect, making it available on a simple laptop while all the while back it was only available on a supercomputer. And the way we do that is basically through the magic of math. Our company was co-founded by a Moscow State University professor and his a couple of his alumni, and now we possess a team of 38 developers, including 7 PhDs and 11 consultant professors who are the cream of the crop of structural mechanics in Russia. We have wide international connections, and our head of R&D is Valery Levitas, who is an honorary professor in Iowa State University. And the team that we write basically delivers all the know-how that we have that will help us to address a $2.5 billion market, which has been developed since the 70s, and the company that started all, ANSYS, is still the leader. But the good thing for us is that a third of the market is taken up by smaller players who basically address different niches, and this is what we are going to do. And the trend that we are riding is that research and development, even in complicated industries, is moving to smaller enterprises that simply cannot afford the price tag for an industrial software suite which is produced by ANSYS and competitors. So we have an advantage in that we are not that greedy and can deliver the same result for a dramatically less amount of money. The status of the project at this point is that we almost have all the development ready. We have a free software as a service version available in the cloud where it's basic. Not all of the features are implemented in it. So it's almost up for feedback from the customers and for us to have a market name. And we also launched a full-fledged corporate suite called Fidesys Basic, which also has some of the features that we are going to implement. It was launched on November 1st, again, for us to sell stuff. We have already completed projects for the University of Iowa and a couple of large Russian corporations, which is basically the way we want to build a name for ourselves and approach the market. Well, hockey sticks are always nice. We are now having 4 different types of revenue streams. Custom industry-specific solutions is what we are riding on right now. And we need up to 3 million to basically go and sell the product. It's a B2B market, of course, so we will need to have a sales force with international experience that costs a lot, and we will have to penetrate the market in the next couple of years. Every dollar that you are going to invest in our company will be co-financed by the Skolkovo Foundation, which is a government development institution in Russia. So basically, if you get a 3 million euro investment, we will have another 3 million from the Russian state, which is always nice. So this is it in a nutshell. I would like to thank you all. Good luck.